Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to redeem codes in Archero 2. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to copy your ID by going to the settings button in the top left corner. So click on the three lines and then go on settings. Next, once you are in settings, you will see this user ID on the top and a copy button. So click on that copy button to copy your user ID. Next, go to your browser, whether it's Google, Google Chrome, Safari, or whatever, and then go on and search for Gift Exchange Archero. Now, once you have found the link, so it's exactly this one, Happy Gift Exchange, click on it, and then here you will see this form that you will have to fill out. So enter your game ID, which is very important. You will have to paste it from the previous step where we have copied it, and then just enter your rewards code and the verification code. So the verification code is actually the image that is shown right on the right of the text box. So it is 0142 in this example, and then click on redeem, and that's it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.